Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I assembled this cat house miniature. This isn't a tutorial on how to assemble this kit. I did change a lot of the pieces and the colors and customized it to my own liking. But I hope you guys enjoy watching. I had a really great time assembling this kit. Here I am assembling the little cat house. I kept it this color. It's a really nice minty color, and if it was any other color I probably would have changed it to mint. Luckily it was already mint and I loved it. I realized that I put a lot of glue, but I think it worked. I put a lot of glue. I'm so sorry. I also put a lot of glue on the top part of the little cat house. Yeah, I just wanted to stick there. Here I am, just making sure that each and every corner is really stuck in there. For the cat tree, I assembled it and I wasn't feeling this color, so I decided to paint it like a rosy baby pink color. slide, as you can see, I assembled it and I didn't really like the color. It was a beautiful color, but I decided to give it something a little bit more flavor, and I decided to paint it a hot pink, and I think it looks good. I really liked how the slide turned out. I think this is I think this is my favorite piece so far. Here I am assembling the cat food, and the kit said to just crumble up and roll up pieces of the tissue paper that it came with, but I decided to use some of my glass beads that I have in hand. think I made a good call changing the slide color, at least for my taste. I think the pink gave the kit a little bit of something different. The print of the paw was also pink, so I decided to just use the outline of the paw print and just glue on some glass beads to give it some extra color. Here I added a little bit of grass. I think the kitties would enjoy a little bit of grass upstairs. And there you have it, everyone. I completed the miniature cat house. I had a really great time assembling this cat house. I had a great time, so much fun customizing a lot of the pieces. And I think it turned out really great. If I was a cat, I will probably spend most of my time here, to be honest. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.